Hello everyone. In this video I will show you that how can you hide the hidden folder on your iPhone. If you open photos and go to albums and scroll down, then you will get hidden folder. You can hide this folder by this trick. All you have to do is close the Photos app and go to settings. Now you have to scroll down and find Photos application, and here is the photos. Click on this option. Now if we scroll down, then you will get an option of show hidden album. You have to turn off this option. After turning off this option, the hidden album will not be visible in Photos app. If you go to Photos app and go to the album, you can see there is only recently deleted, no hidden folder is visible. So by this trick you can hide the hidden folder. If you want to get it back, so do it again. Just open settings and go to photos and just enable this option, show hidden album. Now you can go to your photos and open the hidden folder by going to albums. So this is how you can hide the hidden folder on your iPhone. Thank you everyone.